प्रारंभिक दिनों में जिस भाषा में वो पहले शब्द सुनता है और बोलते हैं, उसी में अगर पढ़ेंगे और लिखेंगे उनकी क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग कैपेसिटी बढ़ेगी। राष्ट्रीय शिक्षा नीति में यही कहा गया है। मैं आज ये भी को अनुरोध करने आया था कि आपकी जो 1000 स्कूल है, इसकी मीडियम ऑफ इंस्ट्रक्शन रेस्पेक्टिव स्टेट में कम से कम क्लास 8 तक मातृभाषा में हो, स्थानीय भाषा में हो, जिसमें वहाँ की बच्चों की दक्षता बढ़ेगी। ये भी वालों ने उस एक्सपेरिमेंट को आगे बढ़ाएंगे।
I am here as a participant. I have a stall for robotics education here. We are really privileged, and I do say what our Prime Minister Narendra Modi told about, Purba Daya, and again the same thing echoes by our Honorable Minister of Education, Sri Dharmendra Pradhan ji. He also spoke loudly about Purba Daya, and this is what Purba Daya today. You can see all 900 DAV schools across India today in Bhubaneswar, and Odisha Tech pride hosting all these institutions here, and this is what the symbolic, the message goes to the pan India that Purba Daya rising from the east, and it is rising. And today we are really privileged. Our Honorable Union Minister of Education, he focused about our Indian languages. He spoke loudly about national education policy framework and implementation of national education policy. I do thank the entire DAV associations and all the stakeholders from all the DAV institutions to being here and bringing the students to Odisha and doing it big. And I wish the organizations to grow from here, and we being a stakeholder be very happy with this. And thanks to our Honorable Minister of Education for his time and giving ample amount of time visiting the stalls and interacting with students, which is actually inspired everyone.
As a student of DAV, it's an immense pleasure on my part to have this, and this is for the first time that DAV United is actually being held in Odisha. It's a great honor and privilege for all the DAVians and also for the people of Odisha. A lot of people have assembled over here, bahut jagah from a lot of places actually the schools have come. And this is our stall, the Odisha stall. Here we are talking about the 52 schools of Odisha only, of the DAV schools of Odisha. We had Dharmendra Pradhan also who came and had a good time with us. We are extremely honoured to have this festival with us.